Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will discuss today. So there is a set of natural numbers which consist 1 2 3 and dot 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 dot, and if we add with this set 0, then the set becomes set of whole numbers that contains from 0 1 2 and dot dot. So this is set of naturals, set of natural numbers, and this is set of whole numbers. So then set of integers that contain 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2, this. So this is set of integers. So that's it. Thank you very much.